Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft Teams status. If your current status doesn't reflect how you are feeling, I'll guide you through updating it to something more fitting. Changing your status is a simple way to let your team know exactly what's going on. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you are logged in. Once you are in, look at the top right corner of the screen where you will see your profile picture. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From there, select Set Status Message or choose one of the available options like Available, Busy, or Do Not Disturb. Now, to change the status, just click on the pencil icon next to the status message and type something instead of your old status. You can also set a duration for how long you want your status to stay active. Changing your Microsoft Teams status is a quick way to communicate with your team and keep everything running smoothly. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.